Hello everybody, welcome back to Dave's Garage at Dave's Garage 249. We're over here at Scott Hant's. He's a racing champion and has kind of a speed shop here. And we've had some issues with the Chevelle with the braking. Rear brakes tended to want to get hot and lock up. So being that he has a hoist, we could get up on the hoist and find out what's going on. And what we found was rear brake line was smashed in one spot and kinked in another spot. And the real issue though was the proportioning valve. This car, when it was built, originally probably was a disc brake front with drum brake rear, and we're disc brakes all the way around. So that means that this proportioning valve needed to be installed, and this is a disc which will relieve pressure. What's happening is that you've already got some pressure on the line because of the proportioning valve, and then once the brakes start getting warm, because they're rubbing on the disc, they would expand, and then even more heat. And so as long as I drove it very gingerly, it didn't seem to be a problem, but there was some noises and some issues. But one day I decided to rip this thing loose a little bit, and a brake started smoking. So that gave me a clue that, yep, there's another problem. So the lesson learned, and I've learned it over and over again though, is that no matter how nice of a old hot rod that you buy from somebody, there's chances are there's 600 million things still wrong with it that you're going to find out and either fix or sell the thing and get rid of it to somebody else. So Scott, he has this modified, is that a modified or late model? And he's top-notch racer, and he has equipment to build chassis here. He has another place where they have shock dyno and other things that they can use, high-end motors, all kinds of cool parts. And this is my go-to guy when I want to get fabricating done and things done and done correctly, and we have a good time working together on it. So anyways, just a short blurb. It's a beautiful day out too, so nice day to have the door open. And that's all I got. So thanks for watching. Next video I'll show how we wound up plumbing everything. Right now we're kind of in the how are we going to do it stage. So so that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I appreciate all my subscribers and all my viewers. Thanks a lot.